Tyler's got all kinds of little gadgets to make it. and my angels showed me that you find that little gadget back here in the back seat. I never knew that. Oh no, tires. Oh, there it goes. Whew. Oh, well, that was my AAA angels that came to change my flat tire, which I was wrong. Fix-A-Flat didn't save it. But my memory's so bad at this age. And I kind of remember a long time ago, I already had one Fix-A-Flat in that tire. And I think it had a slow leak. And I didn't pay much attention to it. And so by the time last week's adventure in the canyon with the flat tire, and I put 2 more Fix-A-Flats, it's just had enough. So they got it changed, and I'll take it to Espanola tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Today's Friday. I'll go Monday when I get paid and get 1 new tire, and then I'll get another new tire before winter comes because I need some nice traction on the back. It's a great Toyota Tacoma, but it is a rear-wheel drive. I wanted a 4-wheel drive, but I didn't even get a front-wheel drive. I got a rear-wheel drive. So, but it's a great little truck. And I'm gonna wrap up today. I'll do some painting and some working on the steps and working on the Zia, and then we'll wrap up this week. So going on to the next project. Things aren't easy to reach in this bus. Okay, I did the back of the bus. And now most of the bus ceiling is white, and I still have to get another coat of white satin on it. But I put 1 coat, or 2 coats, 1 coat on it since winter, and all the soot gets up on it from the fireplace. So I still have to clean this front little area up here up. That's where the magnets were before. And then I'll still at some point put another coat of white on the rest of the middle of the bus. There's an in progress shot. Gotta get that curtain down and continue painting. The tool's waiting out there for me to finish the steps. And got that much paint left in my pan. So spaghetti and hot dogs with beans are on today's menu. Tomorrow's payday, and then I'll have other goodies. Bit of a downpour, which I was hoping for, because I was hoping it would knock out some of those no-see-ums. Hope it doesn't make them worse. But you gotta take the bad with the good. I hope this storm doesn't quit, because I want more. Yes, got some hail in it, and I had some laundry out there that I didn't get in plastic bags yet. So that's heavy. It might dry before tomorrow when I go to laundromat. Come on, don't quit. Oh, I think it's gonna quit. The skies are blue over there. Oh, bummer. Oh, the other bad thing was because I didn't get the laundry because I was so busy because my car battery's dead. And so my main goal was to get the windows covered that I had down. So I had 2 windows down that I had to put some plastic, try to get them covered. I think it's okay. Oh, it's starting up a little bit more. Stopping in Antonito for breakfast. Video doesn't look as good, but I'm pretty sure that's John Lennon. And they have a bar, and there's a jukebox, a couple pool tables, and of course in this area, Colorado, and there's, I guess they're elk heads on the wall. Big open space here. I guess there'd be room for dancing, although I don't know. There's the men's room. I am intrigued by that door. I really would open the door, but you know how curiosity killed the cat, so I'm not going to open it. But it's a really cool door. Thank you. Yep, there's my steak and eggs for breakfast. Haven't had that in, I don't know, forever. So, bon appetit. Kind of looks like Clovis is going to get some steak. It's lovely though, it's really nice. Well, I'm taking a little bit of a sightseeing detour all along this road back to the church, which is supposed to be the oldest church in Colorado. And all these, all along the road on both sides with these little flags are vets that are buried here. Well, I don't know if the door's open, but I always loved going in old churches in Ohio, so I guess I'll see if it's open. Roses. Looks like a rambling yellow rose. That's what I tried to grow this year, but it died. And birds like it. Okay. It's not in English, but I guess my Spanish friends can tell what it says. 1954 or something. This was dedicated, I guess. Let's see if it's open. Nope. I know. It's kind of sad. I can remember the day when I think all church doors were left open for people to go in and pray. And it's kind of a thing of the past because of dumb people. Well, I better hit the road. My plan was to be at the get my tire like at 7 o'clock when they opened this morning, but I think I left about 6:30 and I think it's 8 o'clock now and I still have another half an hour to go. Well, that sign was wrong. Church is all The church is open. Visitors are always welcome. But it was locked. This tablet is the property of the state of Colorado. June 10th, 1958. This tract was selected by Bishop, somebody, for the first permanent church in Colorado. Here was built a picket church, later replaced by a larger church. And the first parish of Colorado was erected 100 years ago with Our Lady of Guadalupe as patron by John Laney, first Bishop of Santa Fe. Father Montano was the first pastor, and the finished church dedicated by Bishop Laney on December 12, 1863. Was under the, it's Jesuit Fathers, 1871 to 1920. Since 1920, it has been under the Thetan Fathers. Fire destroyed the church on Ash Wednesday, 1926. John Henry Thean, 3rd Bishop of Denver, dedicated a new church December 12, 1927. In 1948, this church was enlarged and embellished with its towers by the Reverend Michael Pascal, pastor, the Most Reverend Joseph Wilging, first Bishop of Pueblo, dedicated an addition to the church in 1948. So I guess it's just the site of where the oldest church kind of was. I don't think the camera can catch it, but I like the, up there in the bell towers, you can see, I can see how old the bells are. They're nice. I thought I'd seen another sign over on the east side of Colorado that said that church was the oldest church. So I wondered about this one. And I'm sorry I couldn't get inside. And in the parking lot next over from the church is the county courthouse. And then back around there is the post office. Yeah, it's really crowded around here, isn't it? Oh, I know. It's because it's a Monday and it's July 4th weekend. So there's nobody around, I'm thinking. But maybe there's never anybody around. That's a cute little building. All gave some gave all. Hi guys, well, I made it to Alamosa and I'm sitting in the shade with Clovis while they're putting on a tire and changing my oil, and I'm swatting at mosquitoes. There's always some kind of bug around here. It's pretty warm out, but I'm leaving this jacket on just hoping the mosquitoes won't bite me because I didn't spray myself. So I might have to go to the truck and get my spray. But anyway, they're getting that done, and then I'll be getting groceries and looking for a laundromat, and then get home late tonight. Well, one tire was 175. I was hoping 150 because I have to get a pretty good tire for all the ruts and off-road I do. So then he's past due for an oil change. So that was 40, I believe. And I don't know, taxes, whatever. And so I think it's $230. So I think I'll go on a diet this month. Yeah, anyway, so they're bringing it out soon, I hope. And I hope I can find a shady spot to park for Clovis so I can go in and get groceries and then find a laundromat. Well, I had on my list while I was in town to find a nice pizza shop, Pizza Hut or something, and get a pizza. But I'm getting worn out, And this Subway pizza looks like it's going to crave my pizza urge just fine. And I'm getting tired. I'm not going to be able to do laundry today. Oh well, I'll get some groceries and we'll head home. I ran out of the stain for my steps and that I use on my fence, but my neighbor in the canyon had given me this that I can paint on the back, or put on the back of his cabin. It's just an oil finish. So I put a little bit on my steps just to keep them protected until, well, now that I've got the oil on there, I probably can't put my stain on top of it, but next summer I'll get the stain on it and make my steps look all the same. So finally got the steps done. I just need next summer I'll put the stain on those lighter spots. But that gets me up into the back door of the bus. Okay, so I got one of the Zias done. One done, and one to go. I gotta even out the sides. I'm gonna put another one over on the right-hand side. Well, that's a wrap, guys. Back to my natural curly hair. Usually I put it up in giant rollers to make it straighter for the video, but today it's just a little bit more natural. Well, natural's probably when it's just crazy sticking straight out everywhere. But today we got, I don't know, kind of clean. Just let it dry. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and remember to like and share and comment and subscribe. And I think the next couple weeks will be more exciting. I've got one that I'm working on called Cowboys and Indians, and one called the Canyon Dwellers. So it's the people back in my canyon. I think that's the two I've got. Seems like there was another one I've got planned, but you'll see. Keep watch, stay tuned, and remember, I love you.